Yeah, we love Wednesday night dinners. We get a home-cooked meal that I don't have to cook or clean up after. And the kids love it, and they love to be with their friends and socialize, and we've met new people. So fun things like that.
I experience God on Wednesday nights. Strawberry cake.
We experience the family of God around the table. The fellowship is great, and the food is wonderful.
This is our second time on Wednesday nights, and so far we just love coming. It's a great time for our family to get together with other families, and just a time to kind of regroup and refresh our week again.
We have something in common. We're grateful believers of Jesus Christ.
I experience God on Wednesday nights through the prayer time that we have in the sanctuary.
I experience God in my men's group on Wednesday nights. I really enjoy it.
We like praise and play.
You like music.
Praise and play. Can you wave at Tina?
Through the children's ministry and doing fellowship with my friends and singing songs and doing arts and crafts. It is so much fun.
What I love about Wednesday night dinners is meeting different people. I like to try to sit at a different table each week so that I can interact with different people, and I really enjoy the fellowship. Come on to Wednesday night supper so I can sit with you.
If you don't come on Wednesday night, you're really missing out on some good stuff. So be here.
God speaks to our youth through
music, small groups, and fellowship. How are you experiencing God?